Hello football fans and food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the culinary world of one of the greatest football superstars of all time, Lionel Messi. When he's not dazzling us on the pitch with his incredible skills, Messi has some favorite foods that keep him energized and at the top of his game. So let's uncover Messi's top 6 favorite foods, explore the health benefits they offer, and discover why you should try incorporating these delicious dishes into your own home cooking routine. Number 1. Argentinian asado. Argentinian asado. The sizzle of juicy beef ribs, the aroma of chorizo, and the crackling of morcilla on the grill. Messi's love for asado isn't just about flavor, it's a celebration of Argentine culture and culinary tradition. Argentinian beef is renowned for its quality, providing Messi with high-quality protein crucial for muscle repair and growth. Plus, the natural fats in these meats offer sustained energy, keeping Messi at the top of his game. Number 2. Mate. Mate. Step into Messi's world, and you'll often find him with a gourd in hand, sharing mate with teammates and friends. Beyond its earthy flavor, mate is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These compounds not only boost Messi's immune system but also enhance his focus and mood, crucial for maintaining peak performance on and off the field. Number 3. Fruits. Fruits. Messi understands the importance of fueling his body with nature's bounty. Bananas and oranges are staples in his diet, providing essential potassium for muscle function and hydration. Whether it's the potassium-packed bananas or the vitamin C-rich oranges, these fruits offer a natural and refreshing way to replenish vital nutrients during intense training sessions. Number 4. Quinoa salad. Quinoa salad. Quinoa isn't just a trendy superfood, it's a nutritional powerhouse favored by Messi for its versatility and health benefits. Mixed with vibrant vegetables, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, this salad is a symphony of flavors and nutrients. Quinoa's complete protein profile and complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, while the rainbow of vegetables offers a spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for optimal recovery and performance. Number 5. Fish. Fish. Dive into Messi's diet, and you'll discover his love for seafood, especially fresh fish like salmon and sea bass. Beyond their exquisite taste, fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health, inflammation reduction, and cardiovascular support. By including fish in his meals, Messi ensures he's nourishing his body from head to toe, inside and out. Number 6. Dulce de leche. Dulce de leche. Indulge your sweet tooth with Messi's guilty pleasure, dulce de leche. This creamy caramel spread isn't just a treat for the taste buds. It's a source of comfort and nostalgia, reminiscent of Messi's Argentine roots. While it's best enjoyed in moderation, dulce de leche provides a quick source of carbohydrates, perfect for replenishing glycogen stores after intense workouts. Plus, its calcium content supports bone health, keeping Messi agile and injury-free on the field. As we've seen, Lionel Messi's favorite foods offer more than just flavor. They're a reflection of his cultural heritage, nutritional wisdom, and commitment to peak performance. Whether it's the protein-packed asado, antioxidant-rich mate, or nutrient-dense quinoa salad, Messi's diet is a testament to the power of wholesome, balanced eating. So, why not take a page from Messi's playbook and infuse your meals with the same passion, flavor, and nourishment? Whether you're a football enthusiast or simply someone who values health and wellness, embracing Messi's favorite dishes could be the winning goal for your overall well-being. So, stay inspired, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the beautiful game of football and delicious food.